You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Insurance only helps if it's set up correctly. Here's how to make sure you actually qualify for full coverage when you move internationally. What's the most common reason for denied insurance claims? Simple mistakes like do-it-yourself packing, incomplete inventories, or late insurance purchases. These errors can turn a crisis into a catastrophe. Here's your checklist for full coverage. 1. Professional packing. It must be packed by certified experts using international grade materials. This will protect your goods and it validates your insurance claim. 2. Full itemized inventory. Every item must be listed, valued, and categorized. Our team helps create this for you accurately and professionally. 3. Declare high value items. Special listings for fine arts, musical instruments, jewelry, luxury fashion. Proper documentation prevents headaches later. 4. Purchase insurance before departure. No insurance can be added once your shipment sails. We finalize your policy before your moving day. At SDC International Shipping, we guide you through every step: packing, documentation, inventory, insurance, so your claim, if needed, is smooth and fast. In the next episode, we'll share real-world experiences of what happens when you move without insurance and why it's a risk you don't want to take. To learn more, visit our website or give us a call at 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.